This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the South Florida Fairgrounds for opening day of the 2026 West Palm Beach RV Show. The sun is shining, there is a light breeze, and it is one of those beautiful South Florida days that makes you want to start planning your next road trip immediately. Today is your opportunity to see the best new and used RVs of all classes all in one location. Instead of spending weekends driving from dealership to dealership trying to remember floor plans and features, you can walk the show and compare everything side by side. Motorhomes, travel trailers, fifth wheels, B+s, C's, camper vans, toy haulers, and more. They are all here ready for you to step inside and explore. One of the biggest challenges when shopping for an RV is that individual dealers can only carry certain product lines within their assigned region. If you are trying to compare specific brands or models, you often have to visit multiple locations across different cities. At a multi-dealer RV show like this, that problem disappears. Here you can see your favorite brands in one location. You can walk from one floor plan to another in minutes. It's efficient and convenient. And what you are going to see today is impressive. Gorgeous interiors with residential style finishes, smart floor plans that maximize every inch of space, advanced technology systems that make travel easier than ever. These RVs are built for comfort, flexibility, and freedom. Whether you're brand new to RVing or looking to upgrade your current unit, this show is designed to help you make an informed decision. The hands-on experience of a multi-dealer RV show is something you simply cannot replicate online. If you've been thinking about an RV or are just curious about the RV lifestyle, the West Palm Beach RV Show is the place to explore and start planning your journey. The 2026 West Palm Beach RV Show is being held February 19th through 22nd at the South Florida Fairgrounds. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click the show link on the homepage. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.